born and raised in Southern California, and ever since I was a little girl, I wanted to be a veterinarian. My grandfather actually gave me that idea. He always wanted to be a vet. His passion and love for animals certainly was passed along down the family. It was my first dog that got me into rehab. I was a newly graduated vet, and he started having some mobility problems. Found out it was a very rare bone infection. It was just eating away at the bone. We ended up amputating that leg. Before his amputation, he had blown out a disc in his neck. So between those two things, he was really needing some additional help. Met a physical therapist who was doing this type of work, and she was the one that told me I could actually go on and make a career out of it. Started that process and just fell in love with it. I really enjoy working with the owners and the pets because you get to come along this journey with them. I really get to follow through, get to establish relationships with both of them, and be there to celebrate or walk them through those challenging times. We bribe them, yeah. Lots of treats. If they're not treat motivated, we're using a lot of praise. This is something that is supposed to be fun for them. A lot of animals love doing rehab because it's such a positive experience for them. We've been told as pet parents to throw the ball until they can no longer go and chase it. But at that point, they are beyond fatigued. They're very prone to injury. When a dog is really getting tired, their tongue will start to splay out and get wider. It will also start to get longer. So if we start seeing those signs, that's an indication that we're getting tired and we're gonna get to that point where we're gonna start having injuries. I'm adding some acupuncture to our service. Acupuncture can be very helpful for decreasing chemotherapy side effects. So the nausea, the decreased appetite, just stimulating their immune system, that type of thing. So there's so many things that we can be doing for our patients outside of just rehabbing from a surgery. I have one kiddo right now. His name is Locke, like Loch Ness. He's a lab pointer mix. Of course, every vet dog has to have something wrong with him. So his issues are elbow dysplasia. Trying to find ways that I can help him. But it's also a good way for me to connect with the pet parents that come through here and knowing that I've been through it myself.